Welcome to Wellinker's PGDM 2021-23 online application process. In this video, we will be filling up the PGDM application form. First and foremost, let us understand the list of documents which needs to be saved on your desktop before you start filling up the form. The very first is your photograph, which is in JPG file with file size not more than 5 MB. Second, your 10th, 12th and graduation mark sheets and certificates in PDF version, and file size should not be more than 5 MB each. Students who are appearing candidates, that is they are in the final year and do not have their certificates, they can upload their mark sheets twice. Please note that there is only one online application form for both the campuses, Mumbai and Bangalore, and no need of submitting the hard copies to either of the campuses. Let's get started. The very first thing we will do is open the Wellinker's website. You can use any browser, but we recommend you using the Google Chrome browser. Once the website is open, we will search for the PGDM 2021-23 application link, and then we will click on the Apply Now button. Here we can see the eligibility criteria and the important dates. Candidates with minimum 50% in degree exam from a recognized university completed by June 2021 should have given exams like CAT, XAT, ATMA, CMAT or GMAT. You can also look at the important dates. Please note that these dates are subject to change. As a new candidate, we need to first click on the click here to register link, which will redirect you to the another page for registration. Here you can see new user registration. You need to put your name, mobile number, email ID. You can also select a password of your choice. Please note that this password will be used to log into your account in the next steps. I have put my name, number. I can select my state. I'm selecting my state as Maharashtra. And my city as Mumbai. Once this is done, we need to click on the register button. After clicking on the register button, you will be redirected to another page. It reads, "Your registration is successful. Kindly check your registered email ID and verify the link." Once you have done that, you can continue to sign in for the payment and filling the form. All communications regarding your application will be directed to your registered email ID. Alright, so we have done the first process. So now we will log in to our registered email ID and check for the verification link. I will now open another window and log into my Gmail account. Great, it reads, "Dear Alex, greeting from Wellinker Institute of Management V School. Thank you for registering for the 2-year postgraduate program in management 2021-23 batch. Please verify your email by clicking on the verification link below." So here's the verification link. I'm clicking on the verify here. So once this verify here link is clicked, it reads, "Email is verified successfully. To log in, click here." Now it will ask you to sign in. After entering my email ID and password, it will redirect me to the payment page. You can see this is the Wellinker's payment gateway. You can select various methods of payment: cards, net banking, cash cards, wallets like Paytm. Please note the form fees is 2,500, and once your transaction is done, it will redirect you to the form filling page. It says click here to fill the online application form. And also if you check your email, you will get the payment confirmation email on your registered email ID. Let's check that. It reads, "Dear Alex Xavier, greeting from Wellinker Institute of Management V School. Congratulations, your transaction to purchase V School's 2-year postgraduate program in management 2021-23 batch application form has been successfully completed." Great. So they have also given me my registration ID, which is PGDM 16101676650. And you will also get the invoice in the attachment. You can check the attachment for your invoice. Now let's start filling up the form. Once you click on the link, the very first thing you will get is the declaration. This is an important consent, so please read all the points carefully and submit your consent. Once you click on I agree, the form filling window will open, and the very first page is the identity information page. You can see they have captured my name automatically. Next is the program preferences. There are a few guidelines which will help you to choose your right preference. Total we have 9 programs to select. You can choose 5 programs for the Mumbai campus and 4 programs for the Bangalore campus. There is an option to reset the preferences if you feel you need to change the order of the programs. Once the preferences are done, you need to select your GDPI preferred city. Also note that the GDPI could be physical or online depending on the situation. So there are 4 options: Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore and Kolkata. You can select your GDPI center as per your convenience. Next is the parent's background. This is a very elementary information. You can fill this and click on save and continue. The next page is the communication address. This is again elementary details you can fill, and once done, please click on save and continue. Once the details are done, you can click on save and continue. The next page is the graduation degree details, which is really important. So you can fill the details. You can select your stream. So graduation status is passed or appearing. You can select the duration of your graduation, which is 3 years, 4 years. So I'm selecting as an appearing candidate. You can choose CGPA or percentage depending upon your university. I am selecting percentage and accordingly I'll put my marks. As I am a appearing candidate, I'll put the aggregate of my first and second year marks. And now I will upload my previous year's mark sheet clubbed in one PDF. Similarly, I'll put all the other marks and attach the certificates and mark sheets. After you have updated all the details, click on the save and continue button. The next page is the work experience page. If you have any work experience, you can mention that, otherwise you can skip it. You can mention about your achievements and awards. You can also mention about your social media contact details. Once done, just click on save and continue. The next and the last page is the entrance section. Please note that the entrance exams section will be activated once the results of a specific entrance exams are declared. For example, right now there's only 2 entrance exams like CAT and GMAT for which the candidate have their scores. So they can update the CAT and GMAT scores now, and once the results for ZAT, CMAT and ATMA are out, they can update their results once the results are out. Please note, once the form is submitted, it cannot be edited, but you can update your entrance scores as and when they are declared. It is really important and it's your responsibility to update your scores once the results are out. You can now fill this other information section, which is elementary. And once done, you need to click on the save and continue button. Now this is the alert message. Please read this message carefully. It says, Form once submitted cannot be edited, but you can update your entrance scores as and when they are declared. Your application will be considered as complete and eligible for shortlisting after submitting your application with all the details and entrance exam percentile. You can now click on the Submit Now button. And once you click on the Submit button, it says Submitted. Thank you. Redirecting you to the dashboard. And now when you go to the website and log in with your email ID, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Here you can see all your information, your form ID, form status. You can even download your invoice, your application form. You can see your application form, but you cannot edit it. This completes your Wellinkers PGDM 2021-23 online application form. Thank you. See you in vSchool.